Okay, how you doing? This is the Foxy J47. You guys coming back at you. It is 11:09 here, the Boston time. So you guys, I just wanted to let you know that I am getting ready tomorrow morning. Um, God, if God be willing, I'm getting ready to head back to my neck of the woods, which is Tennessee. I've been up here almost 2 months now, here in Boston, and my journey at this moment is over here. So I'm heading back to Tennessee, but I will be back here to Boston soon. But as of right now, what I came to do is over with right now. I just wanted to come before you guys just to say a few words to you and let you know that I will be journeying back to my neck of the woods tomorrow morning. My flight comes at 8 o'clock, and I'll be back in Tennessee by 10. So, you guys, if you don't see a video for a couple of days, you know I'm getting myself together. Whatever. You might see a video. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just letting you guys know that I'm heading back to Tennessee, and it's been great. It's been an experience. So, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. And it is none other than it's the Foxy J47, and I'm out.